Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics here today, and we're going to be looking at this Epson EX5210. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the lamp as well as changing the filter. So let's get these covers popped off and let's get started. Okay, so this is going to be a fairly easy procedure, and it's going to be similar to some of the Epson units we've looked at in the past. The first thing we're going to do is just undo this one screw right here. It's not going to come all the way out, it's going to stay in the cover, and there's your lamp compartment. The next thing to do is to go ahead and pop this little cover off on the side here. This is going to be for the filter. It just kind of sits here in front of the cool air intake. This is what's going to suck the cool air in to cool your bulb. It's important to replace these regularly. They do start to degrade over time and they will not work as efficiently. You can see there's a little tab here. This tab goes towards the front of the projector near where the lens is at. It just slides right in here and then you can put the cover back on and you're all set. Alright, now we've got our brand new bulb here. As you can see, it's very similar to other Epson lamps. They are cut a certain way. They're only going to go in and install the one way. It's got two screws here at the front to keep it held in place. So let's go ahead and just slide it on in and let's get these screwed in. So an interesting thing about these Epson units is there's actually a little fan that sits right here at the front of the lamp and actually pushes air into the lamp that exhausts out through the side. That's how a lot of these housings are designed now. It's just kind of neat. And if you're having temperature related issues, those fans are likely the cause. And with that, we are all finished. We just got to get this top cover put back on. Like I said, it's a really easy process on these, but it's really important to, keep these filters changed out as these units can have temperature issues with their small size. So if you guys enjoyed the video, thanks again for watching. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. See y'all later. Thanks.